How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing some new spark plugs and polishing up some metal parts and then the radiator. So let's get into it. So compared to that and that, it doesn't look too bad. It's just different shapes, I suppose. Right, so at the moment I'm going to do a couple of oil changes, get all this, maybe it's condensation inside the engine, give it a good run and just keep going until it's all cleared out. Maybe that's the problem. If it's not, then it's not the radiator, because the radiator's not on, so go from there. So, got the engine idle, fantastic. Had to sort the rear wheel out. I did put a C-clip in it so it wasn't spinning, etc. So now I've got all full working gears. Right, so I'm not sure where I got to last. I had to buy some engine flush because I believe built a condensation over the several years. It's made the oil a bit murky, so I'm going to run it for about 9-10 minutes. And if it clears it out, and then do an oil change, and then sort the brakes out. So it'll probably been about a week or so since I last started it. So we'll give it a go. so this is the front brake. Got some new screws for it. Got to give it a quite clean down. I believe someone's probably spray painted it black and stuff, so I'm going to give it a good scrub and go from there. Right, I think that is as good as I'm going to get until I get like a white spirit or something to just get the rest of this paint off. Right, so yeah, that's not really looking great, so I'm going to get some brake cleaner, spray it all out, hope it cleans it out. Right, so currently I'm doing the brakes, so I've just got to put the calipers on and do the brake fluid and get some like brake fluid into it, and then the rear one I'm going to have to order a new part because...
Now I just can't believe how seized this brake cylinder was. I put fire to it, I put a hammer to it, and as you can see I got a long bolt, and what I'm doing, I'm releasing the spring tension and just kept tapping it until it become loose, and then this released the C-clip, and as you can see it's got a bit more restriction and it pops straight out.
Okay,
so what I'm actually currently doing is I've put
brake cylinders on, I've tested it,
because there's no
a little
brake
bit tight, so
in the system,
I think maybe
I've got to pump, release,
I've got
pump,
to
release, just try and get as much fluid as I can.
get the whole cylinder kit again and
get in the air,
change it
released as well.
Put the
so
old
it's just
back
trying
on
to create a vacuum pump
take it
of some sort
down the road, see how it feels.
to kind of just get the brakes to work.
Here we go. don't know what's going on, but it seems to be stalling as soon as I put it into first gear. So like it, subscribe it, stay tuned for next one.